Hello, welcome to Novastar stand. Today I'm glad to introduce our display control system. Now we have four series. I will introduce them one by one from the left to the right. The first is our M control system. This year we bring you the MCTR 4K controller. It is a 4K controller, supports the HDR, 3D, and the low latency. This is the most stable 4K system products in the market now. And the second series is our CVT series. They are the fiber converters to make your job easier, especially in the long distance transmission. First, we have CVT8. It is for our 8 and 5G system. The rest three, we have CVT4K-S. It is for the 4K level. The rest two is CVT10S. It is for the 4K by 1K. And also we have another one is CVT10 Pro. The difference is that we have new trick on this small fiber converter and make the job more reliable in your rental job. The third series is our Co-EX series. This is the highlights. The first two products, we have the CX80 Pro and the CX40 Pro. They are also based on our 5G and 8K system. So what does it mean 5G and 8K? So for example, in the normal control system, we need 4 cables to support a full HD screen. But now with this new controller, we just need one cable to do the job. And all the people, if they have done the big projects with multiple controllers involved, they will know the power of the 8K controller. And on the side is our MX40 Pro and MX30. So they are also working with our new software, and they are very powerful in the rental, especially in the virtual production and the broadcasting projects. This is the entry level for the basic controllers. We have the KU20. It is for some clients. They just want a simple controller on the new platform. The last series is our typical all-in-one series products. Now we have 4 products for you. It's Nova Pro UHD Junior, VX400, VX600, and 1000. The common features of them is that they are scalar. There is a scalar upon the controller. You can scale your input to fit the size of your screen, and also we provide multiple layers on the screen. On VX400, we provide 2 layers. That's what we call the PIP. On the rest of the bigger models, we support 3 layers. And if you want more information about Novastar, you can go to check on our website, or we provide regular training in our local office. And if you want more information quickly, you can just contact our sales or our account manager. Thank you.